Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to the Angry Cast. How y'all doing? I just wanted to give you this video as a sort of a behind-the-scenes look at how we created the music video that I uploaded here not too long ago. The Lo-Fi Chill in the Room AI-generated video and music free online. You know, that whole thing. What I wanted to do was, it was a proof of concept. I had watched a couple of videos that said there are, you know, you've been through your day and you've seen how the algorithm will start throwing videos at you, and you see always the person studying. The video is the person studying. It's an animated video, and they're listening to music. It's lo-fi chill beats to study by. You know, something along those lines. And those channels actually generate a lot of views and a lot of supposedly a lot of income from ads. Well, yeah, that's probably true. Who knows? It could be waxing and waning. But people have put out videos on how to do these things in order for you to, like, you know, get money. Now, as we always say, there's no money in actually doing something, but there is money in showing people how to do it. Teaching somebody, you know, to fish kind of idea. And this is kind of like I said, a proof of concept for me to show you how I did that for this video. And it was all done online through AI generated things, which I'm kind of like a little bit morally. My moral soul's itching a little bit, but I thought it would be kind of cool to sort of check it out and try it. But I'm going to show you exactly how I generated this video, and we're going to do another one, and I'm going to put up later on. So this video is going to come out in between. So let's get to it, shall we? Okay, the first place we're going to start is an application or a website called Leonardo.ai, and this is how we are going to generate our image that's going to have music playing behind it. As you saw in the other video, it was just, you know, a girl reading in her room on her tablet with her headphones on, listening to music while, you know, the lights were down low and everything was kind of cool. So that, you know, that's where this started out. This was the first one I tried, and I didn't like that, so I went to a separate prompt, and it gave me these suggestions. And of course, as you know, if you didn't already pick it up in the video, you can see there's some definite AI artifacts that are kind of goofy, like, oh, there's an extra sconce that just happens to be hanging on the wall that does absolutely nothing. There's this weird arm light for reading that's you know, doesn't really make a lot of sense. This vine crawling up the wall, why is that there? And also there's an extra hand grabbing the tablet that doesn't even look like a tablet. It looks like a cookie sheet. I don't know, a mini cookie sheet. And Gal Gadot here, our mini Gal Gadot, is sitting there just listening to it while that extra hand reaches up out of the bed and grabs it. So it's still, you know, a work in progress, and I didn't have a lot of time because I want to exactly show you why this is sort of a goofy way to do this for free, quote unquote. So while you're in Leonardo AI, you can go to the you know, to generate a thing, and you see here there's credits involved, and you can see I have 79 credits left. It does say that after 4 hours it will reset, and then you can make more. I don't know if that's exactly true, or if you run out and then you have to pay. You do have to sign up. You do have to join and sign up for a free account, and then you can do this. So we you know, we are on the if you go to the lab, you know, the Leonardo AI, it generates these ideas here, and here's some. You can see all the things that people have generated in the past, but we're going to do the Dream Shaper, and when we get to the Dream Shaper, we can then give it a prompt. Now, if you don't like the prompt, or you don't know how to write a prompt, you can do prompt generation, which will let you type in sports car, driving, night, city, chrome, neon, lights, palm trees, summer, convertible. Give you all this, you know, these ideas, and then it will, if you click the ideate or idea T, whatever, it will generate some prompts you can use, and you pick the one you like and say generate. Now with that, we got these 4 images, and I liked this one the best, so I downloaded it. It's free to use. Downloaded it, and we're going to now turn that into a video using a different application. But first, we need some music to go along with this slick, snazzy car. Okay, here we are in another program or an application or website, whatever you want to call it, called Mubert. Mubert.com. It is also free. However, there is some things you have to know about using Mubert. You only get so many tracks to download. I don't know if it's per month or if it's, you know, over the course of things. You only get so many to download, and you have to go through a couple of hoops to get there. So any of the videos that say this is all free, you can just use it, no, not really. You got to read the fine print. Those things are driven and designed to pull you in, suck you in. Think I'm going to quit my day job and just make AI generated LoFi beat videos all day long, and I won't ever have to do anything but retire. No, that's not going to happen. So let's see here. When you get to Mubert, you click generate a track on the front screen after you've signed in and created a free account, and then you have to sort of give it prompts. You can do text prompts, or you can do some like genre, moods, and activities. So I wanted to have one that was a chill chiptune video game driving like some synth retro, whatever, blah 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 blah, and eventually it started to generate the chip. Now you can see here there's ones that are suggested staff picks that you can use. Again, you have to give some attribution on your site before you just throw things up onto YouTube. But I decided to see what would happen if we got this, and then we can get to my downloads. You see here I've got this, let's see here, 1980s chip electronica synthesizer. What's that say? What's that sound like? It's epic! Yeah, okay, there's that one. There's also this one here, we did this one. Yeah, no, don't like that one as much. Pretty cool. Might use these in some other videos that I'm working on. But the problem is that once you generate the track, you then have, like this one here, chill, chiptune, video game, electronica, synth, retro. This is the one we're going to probably do. But what happens when you play it right on your video? We got this cool beat kicking in the background. All right, it's awesome. We're driving down the highway. Our hair is slicked back. The lights are going. The ladies are dancing. Everything's great. And all of a sudden, you hear this. What? What is that? Yes, there are some watermarks on these videos you got to be careful of. So that's okay, cool, whatever. It's not going to be there in your final product. But once you go to download it and you set it to your downloads, it then will. Get over there. It will then pull that out of the chill chip tune. Yeah, so we have to set it to our downloads. So download. Added it to my downloads. Let's refresh the page. And now you see chill chiptune video game blah 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 is all of our downloads. Now again, we're using up our credits, we're using up our free stuff here, but it's okay. It's okay. We're only doing a couple of these for an experiment. We're not like going to create an entire career out of this. All right, once we have our chill chiptune video game, like blah, 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 there, we can then download it. And it gives us this little how to use your ambassador license. You add a link to Mubert in the description of your video, social media post, NFT, or podcast that uses our music. For example, music generated by Mubert. Here's the website, and then you can see it in the description of the video we had before. I put all these attribution links in there. I'm going to say agree and download. It's cool. Yeah, fine, whatever. And then it's go boop. It's going to download. Okay, last website we got here, CapCut.com. This is how we're going to generate and create our video. Now, typically, I would do my videos in Movie Maker, Windows Live 2012, because I'm such a cheap ass and I haven't paid for anything in years. I did actually buy some new stuff I'm going to be testing out sooner or later. Maybe you might see some new added effects in my videos. Don't know when that's going to happen, but it should be coming soon. I've got a lot of videos I've already done. I've got backlogged because I don't have time. But newer videos you may see actually have some new cool effects. Might be something different about them that you're not used to seeing. Could be good, could be bad, who knows. But CapCut, you can actually create these videos that we're talking about online for free. And again, you have to sign up for an account. And I don't know exactly what you get with all that, but I'm going to give attribution for everywhere I've used to create the video. But once I sign in and get my new account, we're going to go to create a new video. And then here we have to just click to upload. Now we want to do 16 by 9 because that's the YouTube ratio, or aspect ratio. And hold on one second, let me grab my video. Okay, as you can see here, I've got my image of my car driving, and I actually dragged the chiptune video song, whatever, into this new project, so you can see them here on the left-hand side where they're added. There is also, you can record, we can do other things. We're mainly concerned with the way this looks right now. So let's shrink this down. We can see that our song is only 2 minutes long, so we probably need to drag our image to be 2 minutes as well, and it'll snap too, so you can see it. And then we can have, you know, our little thing here. Yeah, we're pumping. And listen, wait. Everybody's walking down the street, the hair's on fire, the women are dancing, the lights are blazing, and all of a sudden you don't hear the watermark. Because we went through all that steps to download it, now we don't have to worry about that watermark being in there. So let's, you know, this is great, this is fine, this is cool, but let's put some effects in there. Let's make it look even better. Let's add some, what can we add in here that would make it cool? Let's see here, neon. Let's just type in words to see what happens. Let's see here. Oh my gosh, we could do all kinds of weird, goofy stuff. Let's see what this does. Neon flow. Whoops. What's this gonna do to our thing here? Oh, we really can't do anything with it. Not doing a damn thing. Okay. Don't like that. We'll try something else. Okay, I think we've got an acceptable one called Leak 2. Let's see how this looks for us. It'll work. It'll work. This about as good as it's going to get right now. Again, if I had more time to play with it, we would do that. So, okay, we've got our 2-minute video for this song. Now all we got to do is export the son of a bitch. We're going to download it. And we can give it a file name, give it a resolution. I want a 1080p, recommended quality, high quality H2O, 60 frames per second, and then we're going to export this. Oh yeah, it's going to do its thing. We're going to get it up going. Let's go. Come on. Takes a little while to do it, but it will export. Then you can download it, and then we can add it to our channel. All right, here you are back in the back rooms of the channel where you can see the magic happening or not actually happening. If you look at this right here, this is pretty bad. Oof, it's horrible, but it is what it is, you know. But there's our lo-fi chill in the room. Now we're going to do another one. Of course, we're going to make our own little, you know, our own little thumbnail for it. And we're going to add all of our text in. We're going to add in all of our tagging and do all that stuff. And we upload our videos, and then it'll be ready to go. And then we got to just drop it in, and we'll show you what it looks like after it's done. And as you can see, we've got a appropriately named Chrome Car City Cruise. And I downloaded a pretty cool font to make sort of like a Tom Cruise Days of Thunder style font to give us like an 80s retro title. And that's going to come up, you know, in a week or so. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I got the attribution in here from the music, the image, and the effects, and everything in there like on the last video. And it's purely that simple, although I do suggest if you're going to be making these videos, pay attention to what you're doing, where you're doing it. Don't put all your eggs into this basket and hope that this is going to make it, you know, for you at your channel. You never know. Something bad could happen. It's, you know, buyer beware. Your mileage may vary. So there you go. Thanks again for watching, everybody. If you like what you see and you want to see me do more or have Milo, you know, explore more of these proofs of concepts and stuff like that, please, by all means, as you can see right here in the links in the channel, links in the description for buying me merch to actually get something from my efforts. So that you don't feel like you're just giving away money, you actually get something in return, or you can buy me a coffee. Links, like I said, are always in the description. Thanks again. As always, you know, take care of each other, take care of yourselves, take care of the planet. We'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.